Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl, man, okay, coming to you with a slay today. I decided to get spruced up today before I got on camera. I was just feeling jiggy with it. And my mom. So yeah, I'm bringing y'all a slay today. And this one is from CurlyMe. And I think it's a wig, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's a wig. We're gonna look at what the wig is, see what's going on, and then we're gonna play with it. But you know, first I gotta show love to my subscriber of the day. Oh my goodness, you are so divine. Yeah. Okay, y'all, let's get into this WIYAAAG. I like how CurlyMe does, honey. This bubble wrap, and you are not gonna be able to get into this unauthorized. Let's see what's up up in this box. Up in this box. Ooh. They got diamonds and stuff on their box. Let's see what this is. Ooh, okay. Package sauce. Package sauce. We got some Mongolian hair today, y'all.
Me and my pretty little girls. Ooh.
I decided to show out today. I got 26 inches, y'all. Oh, we finna be ignorant today, I see. Okay. I see we finna be ignorant today. They sent me some mink hair 3D eyelashes. These the real ignorant kind, y'all. There you go. Yeah, that's real ignorant, y'all. Wig cap. I want to see this 26-inch, honey.
CurlyMe, let me see what's going on.
Okay, y'all. I have their Water Wave Virgin Human Hair Lace Front Swiss Lace Wig. They say it's an undetectable pre-pluck line. We gonna find out. We gonna see about it.
See about it.
They have an average cap size, which is about 22.5 inches. Lace is medium brown top Swiss lace. Now, their version of medium brown probably is not my version of medium brown, just being honest.
Most of the time, medium brown is like light brown.
Oh, I have a closure wig. That's wonderful. Means there's 4 inches of lace going across and 4 inches of lace going back for your parting, okay? Ooh, okay, nice and soft. I figured it would be. Like I thought, this lace is not medium brown, honey. This lace is light. For me, maybe it's medium brown for somebody of a fairer complexion. So I will definitely be tinting this, but I'm finna hit y'all with that knowledge. That's why I like closure wigs, because when we have to do modifications, we only have to modify a little bit. See, you see this 4x4 closure lace? This is the only thing that needs to be tinted off up in here. We don't need to go all the way from the East Coast to the West Coast, from the West Coast to the East Coast. We don't have to do that. We just got to go from about Pittsburgh to about Detroit.
And then that's it. We good. We good.
I might not. You know you don't have to wet water wave. You know that, don't you? Do not have to wet water wave. And don't let nobody pressure you, okay? You don't have to do that.
I said you don't have to do that.
We finna be ignorant. We definitely about to be ignorant. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, an adjustable strap. That inside is looking nice and roomy too, y'all. Again, 22.5, so it might be a little loose on me. And I have a okay, this hairline is plucked. The knots do not look bleached to me. So if you want to go in and bleach those knots, you can. I'm not. I'm just going to tint this lace underneath here. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day on that. And these curls are beautiful, y'all. I may not wet. I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to wet this or not. But okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go play with this, y'all. Let's see what we can do. We can do. Hold on, y'all. Let's work this out. Hold on.